Hello friends, welcome back. Yeah, so let's move to the next topic. So till now in my previous video I have explained like read operation, write operation, move, delete and copy. Okay. Now I'm going to explain the new operation that is called on new and update file, basically this one. Okay, so when we are going to use this one, so let me tell you first the requirement. So basically like whenever like we are going, and so basically, whenever we are going to read the file from particular location, in case of the user is going to drop or like modified something on the particular file, then and then we are going to read the data. That time we can use the on new or updated file. So basically, we instead of the scheduler, we can use this one. So let me remove the scheduler here and drag the on new or updated file. Okay, and let me just do the configuration. So if you see here, connector configuration is same as a file config, and here we need to like give the directory path from where we have to read the file in case of new or updated. So if you see here, let me give this file path again. Okay, and so basically in this folder whatever file is going to drop or modified, that file will it's automatically read this operation. And if you see here, the watermark. Okay, so basically we have two options: the created timestamp and modified timestamp, or disabled. So in case of the disable, like every time if there is a file placed in the particular location, that time it's going to read, and like either it's created or modified or like existing file, that will going to read again and again. In case of we have disabled the watermark. So basically watermark, when we are like enabling, so we have in case of the we have to read the file only once the particular file, that time we can enable the watermark, and as per our requirement we can set this option. So that particular file, once the particular file got processed, we don't want to reprocess the same file again. So that's what the watermark comes in the picture. So for now just I'm like place setting option as a modify timestamp. So basically whenever it's modifying in the file, and that time it like this flow will read the file and then process it. Okay, so this is the details for the watermark. And let me go down, and if you see, here is the scheduling strategy. So what I have explained in the previous video, like fixed and cron. So depends on your things, like you can use both like fixed or cron, whatever as per your comfortable. So for now just I'm using the fixed frequency, and the time unit is a millisecond. Okay, and here is the we have more options for the processing action. So if you auto delete, if you keep this as a true, then once the file got processed from the input location, then file will automatically delete. Okay, and if you keep as a false, then the file will not delete. And so in that case we are calling the delete operation, right? So that's why I'm keeping this auto delete as a false for now. And if you want to do move directory or rename to that, this option is also like what I explained in the previous video with the other operation. Same thing we can do as I here also. Like if you want to move the from input location to some particular location, that path we can give here. And if you want to remove the file, then we can rename the file, then you can rename it here. Okay, so these are the options which is provided by MuleSoft for this new operation, that on new or updated file. So for time being, for now, just I'm using the like directory as a like from input. When we saw the file, then we I'm going to process that one, and this fixed frequency basically. So let me just run it. Okay, debug it. Let me debug. And for now, for timing, let me remove this. One second, we have that file. Yes, let me delete this file from here. Okay, let's see that particular uh, application is what is reading or not, what happening. So let's deploy first. Okay, so see, its application got deployed successfully, but we are not getting the cursor move because in this location there is no file. If you see here, there is no file, right? So let me show you. So whenever I'm going to put the particular file here, then it automatically read from that location. Okay, so let me copy this file from here and paste into the input. Okay, and see, we got that request and file got read successfully from the location. Then now I'm going to move same things I'm doing again, the read operation and then write operation, and then copy file from here to next location and then deleting. Okay, deleted successfully. So if you see, got deleted successfully and move to the process folder. Okay, so what, let me delete from here again. Let me show you again end to end. Control X, input, Control V. Let me stop it. Okay, and then in output also let me delete here. Okay, there is no file. Okay, here is file. So what I want to do, I don't want to use this operation that copy or move. So just let me comment out from here, and what I can do, I can use the same operation to move file from one location to another location. Okay, so basically I want to move that file into the process location. Let me just copy it and move to this directory. Okay, so here it in this directory it will move the particular file, and let me rename that file as a archive. Okay, archive file dot csv. Now let me debug it. Okay, let's deploy. So now I'm not going to call any operation that move and copy. Let me see if I can use this to move the particular file from one location to another. Let's deploy the application. Okay, application got deployed successfully, and let me see if we have the file. So in we have a file, but this file is not reading. Why? Because this file got already processed and we have enabled the watermark here. If we have modified something there, then it will process again. So what I can do, let me add one more record. Just let me copy, paste here, ID4, name let's say John, salary is 10,000, location let's say Mumbai, email ID as John. Okay, let me save it. Let me see. Once I have modified the particular file, I got this request. Okay, so let me move next. Read, I have read successfully. Write the data into successfully. Let me show you. Previously I was deleted. CPC, we got that file written successfully, and if you see, we got one more new record here. Okay, now let me see if this is moved to the process folder or not. Okay, it's not processed. Let me complete this. Okay, now if you see, once this application got completed, we got this file to the here. So that's what we can use this function for move also. If you don't want to use extra operation, then we can configure here also. So this is the like on new or updated file. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video.